Hello everyone, back for another doll video, and this time I actually have an OMG that I got at Dee Dee's Discounts. So, I did recently get into OMG dolls, and the reason for that is I found these two. First I found this one, and then I found her. She was the one that I really wanted for the longest time, and I got these for around $5 or $6 each at Dee Dee's Discounts. So yeah, and their hair has already been washed and I've brushed it out. So yeah, this is Paradise VIP. I think Paradise VIP is her name. Yes. So yeah, Paradise VIP. But yeah, she just kind of got me into them. The main thing I never liked about the OMG dolls was the eyes. Like, you take a Barbie type doll, for example, and like you can see in the irises, you can see that there's lots of little details. The iris is outlined and stuff like that. Lots of little lashes and things like that. But with the OMG dolls, it was always just an iris, a pupil, and a white dot. And I was like, that's it, that's all. That's all you get. You know, I was like, with an eye that's this big, you could put so much more detail in there. But oh well, it looks like I am into them now. When I saw her for a discount, like super good discount, I was like, you know, I gotta have two of them. Especially when I got this one. She's pretty, thinly rooted, to say the least. Yeah, but her volume, the volume and texture of her hair kind of hides it pretty well. And then this one is a slightly better rooted. Like, the rooting job, like, the plugs are closer together, but it's still pretty gappy, so. But I've seen others where they've gotten her, and, she has been better rooted, so I don't know. But I'm glad I got them for so cheap, because yikers, their hair was pretty badly rooted. But anyhow, without further ado, I'm going to show you what she looks like in the box. This is Melrose. So I'm going to show you what she looks like in box. And they did have a whole bunch of these at one point, but when I went back, they had two. So yeah. And I was able to choose the one with the best face, so I like her style a whole lot. I like the eye color, and she has nails that kind of match. And I think Melrose is a very appropriate name, especially for her color scheme, like the eye color. I mean, I guess it's more of like a periwinkle purplish color. Same with the nails, but I'm gonna get her out and we'll take a closer look. Oh wait, I do have to go over the box. See, this is the kind of the artwork that I would like. Like, that's what I would like for her, the eyes to actually look like. You can see there's a lot more little dots in there. There's even teeny tiny lashes down there. The iris has been outlined. Yeah, the box art has a lot more detail going on versus the actual doll, which is just an iris, a pupil, and a white dot. So yeah, that is my only gripe about that. So, but yeah, 20 plus surprises, all of that info. There's her name on the side. Apparently there is a Tot that is her younger sister, but she's kind of cute. I like the color palette, the hairstyle, the outfit's really fun. And I want to get her. I want to get this one. So yeah, I was looking at that one, and she's one I've been wanting. So yeah, maybe I'll get her. Yeah, there's all this. Oh wait, I'm sure this is all in different languages. I thought it was like different signs. But no, I guess that's the main one. So yeah. And I got her at DD's Discounts for guess how much? Wabam. So yeah. So anyhow, gonna get her out and I'll be right back. So I just took the box. I took the I slid her out of the box thing where she's just attached to the card, and there's all this. So wow. Lots of interesting references. I actually do have this one right here. I found her at a thrift store, and she was naked, missing her, I think she was missing both her arms, but I've since replaced them. So yeah, I have that one. But yeah, this is fun. So I guess, get started with this. Oh, it's on a hanger. Okay. This is my first time doing something like that. Here, let me figure this out and I'll be back. Okay, so I just got her out, and Jesus Christ, her hair is a rock. Like, it's rock solid. Yeah, you can, it's literally a rock. But no, I turned her around, and I was like, holy crap. She has an undercut. But not just any undercut, it's like flocked and zebra print. Or tiger print. I don't know. I can never tell the difference. I'll just say it's tiger print. But what the heck? I was not expecting that. Yeah. That's insane. But yeah, the one thing I was saying was I was like, you basically have a fully dressed doll here, but there's more. So this is basically a fully dressed doll already, as it is, but there's more in here. So yeah, we ain't done yet. I mean, they really do mean it when they say surprises. So yeah, that was a surprise. I was not expecting that right there. So that's cool. Yeah, she's already freaking cool. And I already do my doll's hair like this. Like, a lot of times I will do a twist braid like that and put it in a bun. It's kind of a really fun hairstyle to do. But yeah, be right back. Okay, guys, holy freaking moly, you gotta check this out. Look at that. What? Holy crap. And those are metal chains, too. That's actual metal chains. 2022. That was last year. Holy freaking moly. Look at that. Are you kidding me right now? I have never seen anything like this. And I am over the moon for this. This is so awesome. Okay. Okay, Miss Thing. So, yeah, that came out of this. That was up top. So, I guess you'll get to witness me. Well, no, I'll open one thing at a time and do various jump cuts. Okay, so I opened the really big thing, and we have this little purse with a dangling thing on the side. But that's not all. Check this crap out. Oh yeah, that's right, it does open. Wha-bam, look at that. I'm assuming that just says... I don't really know. It's really tiny. A surprise party, I'd say so. Okay, so there's that. And we got some tissue paper. What could be inside? An earring. And another earring, I'm guessing. Wow. Wrapped up all nice and neatly. Let me see the other one. Oh, and a bracelet too. Okay, I dropped one of them. That's what we had in there. 2 earrings and a bracelet. Or it could be a choker, I guess. Probably, I don't know. But there's that. And then for the last thing, we have this. There's also stand and comb, like a brush in there. But yeah, but that's not all. Wha-bam, check that out. That's crazy. So I'll put everything together and be back. And here we are. She's all put together. Wow. And look at those boots. Yeah, there's the boot. She's definitely got a very Y2K punk rock aesthetic, which I'm living for. Because I grew up listening to like Avril Lavigne and stuff like that. So yeah. She came with this poster. There's also a little thing in the back. It's like right there. Pretty cool. It's the detail in the bag. Everything's so highly detailed. Like overall, this experience unboxing this doll has been wonderful. Everything is highly detailed. I mean, yeah, I was complaining about the eyes and all that. But the rosy cheeks. I love her color palette, like on her face. Like the eye color with the skin tone, the lips, the eye makeup. And the rosy cheeks. She has a little beauty mark. And the undercut just kind of threw me for a loop. I was like, whoa, that's so cool. And she's got 2 colors of hair. So she's got platinum and then a more yellow. There's just so much detail. Nails are painted, everything. She does have bendable knees, so yeah, the knees bend. She comes with a brush. But obviously her hair is going to have to be washed before you'll be able to use that. But anyhow, that is my video of this wonderful doll. Very pleasantly surprised by this whole unboxing experience. Definitely lived up to the name LOL Surprise. So anyhow, thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and remember to stay true to you.